Hi everyone, I am Aksa Zafar and welcome back to MLTube. Here I share practical tutorials on AI, machine learning and tools that make your tech journey easier. If you love learning step by step with real examples, make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss a new video. In this lesson, we will see why using GitHub Actions makes Claude projects smoother and more reliable. You will learn how automation helps build, test and deploy without extra effort. So let's understand why you should automate Claude projects. When you run tools manually, it slows everything down. Small steps start adding up and waste productive hours. When projects change often, it's easy to miss a command or step. Automation helps keep things consistent through every update. With an automated flow, every run follows the same pattern. That means fewer surprises and clean, repeatable results. Let's compare manual and automated flow. When things rely on memory, errors are bound to happen. It's easy to skip a step or forget a detail. With automation, every process runs in the same order. Nothing gets missed and results stay predictable. You can trace every action, every build, and every test. That makes debugging and progress tracking simple. Now let's understand why scaling is difficult for manual tools. Repeating the same commands again and again eats up hours. Automation handles it instantly after each commit. When people run tools manually, results vary from person to person. Automation removes that gap completely. In a team, keeping everyone in sync is hard. Automated workflows make sure everyone works the same way. Let's learn how GitHub Actions automation works. Every time you push code, the workflow starts on its own. No need to remember to trigger it. Each step runs in sequence: build, check, then test. This keeps your code base healthy at all times. Deployment happens only after all tests succeed. That keeps broken code out of production. Now let's see how hooks can trigger GitHub workflow directly. When you run a tool in Claude Code, hooks send event details automatically. They tell GitHub exactly what just happened. The system waits for the signal from hooks. As soon as it arrives, the right workflow starts. There is no delay, no manual step. Your automation begins instantly after the event. Let's understand how one system that can handle entire automation process. Claude takes care of writing and checking your code. That's its main role in the workflow. GitHub picks up the rest: building, testing, and deploying. Everything runs in one connected pipeline. Both systems work side by side without overlap. You get a single, seamless deployment process. Let's go through key takeaways from this video. Manual changes depend on memory and effort, which often leads to mistakes. Automation saves time and reduces risk. From code checks to deployment, everything runs in order. That helps you focus on building, not setup. Hooks send the signal and actions do the work. Together, they keep your projects running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to MLTube for more AI and machine learning tutorials.